So we're going to put that last pivotal rib in. I did go ahead and measure it. What I'm doing is I'm right about in the center of that. And I did spray this. I put my awl to open it up just a little bit. And then with that nice cut that I did, I'm going to stick it in there. Now they're placed. They're not shoved in for a long, a long distance. So I'm going to do the same thing over here, but right there. And I want to put that in there and give it a little wiggle room so I can stick this in here. So that's why when you're starting these out, see my tip got busted, so I got to do it again. You need to be pretty gentle with them starting out, and once they get wove in, then they're not so persnickety. Okay, that one might be a problem, but we'll see. So then we've got this tail end back here. We're just gonna get it wet. Remember I said that if you use warm water, it works a little easier, and these have gotten dry. It's kind of dry in North Idaho in the summer. Okay, so I'm gonna weave through these guys. I'm going to come up to these first set of ribs, just over and under in it. Making sure that I keep that tight to the weave. I do this for a couple rows. Make sure these are secured. Then I'm going to go over and do it on the other side. And like I say, they're a little persnickety starting out. I always tell people you want to hear them squeal when you start them out. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple rows on these, and then I'll come back and show you what I've done.